colors of nature. One day, Farmer Sam gives his 3 children 3 shiny green cans. He takes the children to the garden.
You must water your plants to help the rain fairy when she is tired.
Father then pulls out some weeds.
Pull out the weeds from time to time.
But father, they are also plants.
Tia asks.
Yes, dear, you are right. But they are bad weeds. They steal the food Mother Earth keeps for plants.
The children help Father to pull out all the weeds from the garden. Then Father digs the soil around the plants gently. What are you doing, Father? Tim asks.
We must keep the soil loose around the roots. This helps water to sink deep into the soil. The plants will get this water through their roots.
Father explains. I promise to love my plants, says Tom. The children take good care of the garden. Soon, the little green stalks grow tall and strong. Tiny buds appear, and one by one, they turn into beautiful flowers. They are all of different colors. The vegetables too hang on the stems with pride. The children take a small pot in which the plant has flowered. They place it on the dining table. Farmer Sam smiles.
Wow, what a beautiful pot!
Then he looks at the basket of round, plump red tomatoes, curly green lettuce leaves, bright yellow lemons, carrots, and rows of fresh green peas in the pot.
Father, it is like a pretty story come true.
Tim and Tia say happily.
Yes, and God's 3 fairies helped you.
Father says.
3 fairies?
3 fairies? 3 fairies? The children ask together.
Yes, the jolly yellow sun, the gentle rain and air, and brown Mother Earth are God's fairies that helped you. But the best were your own little hands.
Father says as he kisses the hands of his children. The children dance in their lovely garden. Soon they see a rainbow in the sky. It is so beautiful! Tim shouts. They all sing a lovely rainbow song.